This is what I feed my geraniums. They have huge flowers all season long. Every neighbor envies me. Even the weakest flowers start blooming like crazy. Since I started using this homemade fertilizer, my geraniums have more buds, intensely green leaves, and look healthier than ever before. Start by preparing a small bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of dry yeast, which is rich in ingredients that support root development and improve plant health. You can also use regular fresh yeast, which works just as well. The next ingredient is sugar, which, when combined with the yeast, helps the fermentation process and strengthens the fertilizer's effect. This makes the fertilizer act like a natural booster, supporting metabolic processes in the plants, accelerating their regeneration, and promoting growth. Add 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then pour in a small glass of warm water and mix everything thoroughly until the yeast dissolves completely. Now, take an empty bottle and fill it with plain water. Using a funnel, pour the prepared yeast mixture into the bottle, then close it tightly and shake well to ensure everything is well combined. Water your geraniums with this prepared fertilizer. After a short time, you'll notice that your plants will start producing new buds, becoming bushier, and blooming with colorful flowers. This natural fertilizer supports the growth of your geraniums without using any chemicals. Regularly watering your plants with this solution will keep them healthy, full of energy, and looking beautiful all season long. Add this to your geraniums, and they'll reward you with a sea of lush green leaves and masses of beautiful flowers. If you've noticed that the leaves are turning pale yellow or almost white, while the veins remain a deep green, it may be a sign that your plant is lacking iron. This condition is called chlorosis and often occurs when geraniums are unable to absorb nutrients properly from the soil. The first solution is incredibly simple. The problem is often not a lack of iron in the soil itself, but rather the plant's inability to take it up. One common culprit is hard tap water, which raises the soil's pH and blocks access to many essential minerals. Prepare about 2 cups of settled or filtered water and add 1/2 teaspoon of citric acid. Mix thoroughly and water your geraniums with the solution. The mildly acidic mixture helps lower the soil pH, making it easier for the roots to absorb valuable nutrients. However, if the soil is already severely depleted, it's worth preparing a natural iron-rich fertilizer. Take an ordinary jar and place a few heavily rusted nails, old screws, or a piece of steel wool inside. Add 1 level teaspoon of citric acid, then fill the jar with water and let it sit for 2 to 3 days. After some time, you'll notice the water turning a yellowish-brown color. This is a sign that an easily absorbable iron solution is forming. Strain the liquid through cheesecloth or a fine sieve to remove any small metal particles, then use it to water your geraniums. Regular use of these simple methods can help the leaves regain their rich green color, while encouraging the plant to produce plenty of new buds and beautiful blooms once again. You won't believe how easy it is to keep geraniums blooming for months. Your balcony will be filled with vibrant colors and a beautiful fragrance that delights you every day. This is the secret behind my grandmother's stunning geraniums. If you want more of these plants, choose a healthy shoot that doesn't yet have any open flowers. Then cut off the tip. Prepare a small amount of honey, which helps retain moisture and is often used when rooting cuttings. Next, get some ground cinnamon, valued by many gardeners for its protective properties. First, dip the end of the shoot into the honey, then coat it thoroughly with cinnamon. This will give the cutting better conditions to start growing. Now place it into the soil and gently press the soil around the stem. Next, prepare some eggshells, which are a natural source of calcium that supports plant growth. Crush them thoroughly in your hands and place them into a container. Add 1 tablespoon of used coffee grounds, which help enrich the soil and are often used in homemade fertilizers. Mix everything thoroughly. Now slowly add water while continuously stirring the ingredients. This will create a simple fertilizer for your geraniums. Water the new cutting with this mixture to help it root more quickly and begin growing. It's an easy way to propagate geraniums. In time, they will reward you with new shoots, lush growth, and plenty of colorful flowers. That's why my grandmother's balcony looked like a true wall of flowers every year. Never throw away a used dish sponge. It can be like gold for your plants. This simple trick helps flowers retain moisture longer, grow faster, and stay lush and beautiful for a long time. Don't throw used sponges in the trash because they can be incredibly useful for plant care. Sponges store water extremely well, helping the soil stay properly moist and protecting roots from drying out, especially during warm days. First, prepare a larger bowl and pour water into it. Add a few drops of dish soap to help thoroughly clean the sponges from dirt and grease residue. Then place the sponges in the water and leave them for a moment to soak well. After that, squeeze them thoroughly and cut them into smaller pieces. Prepare another bowl, add the cut sponges, mix in some soil, and combine everything very well. Next, prepare a plastic flower pot or container with holes at the bottom. Place a few sponge pieces at the very bottom so they can retain moisture and support the plant roots. Only then add your favorite flowers or seedlings and gently cover them with the prepared mixture. Finally, water everything lightly. Thanks to this, your plants become stronger, greener, and full of beautiful flowers. These simple sponges can help your plants grow better and keep moisture in the pot much longer. Add 1 tablet to water and use it to water your geraniums. Their blooming will become incredibly abundant, with deeper and more intense colors than ever before. This 1 tablet will restore their vitality and health, supporting their rapid growth. Geraniums need the right ingredients to stimulate intense blooming. So, take 1 tablet, break it into smaller pieces, and place it in a bowl. I'll reveal what this ingredient is shortly. Prepare a larger container and add about 10 fluid ounces of water. Drop the crushed powder in, then mix everything until you get a uniform solution. Now, prepare an empty spray bottle, remove the lid, and pour the mixture into the bottle. Close it tightly, shake well, and you now have a natural spray fertilizer. Simply spray your geraniums with this solution, and after a short time, you'll notice the plants becoming greener, healthier, and full of flowers. They will start producing new buds, and their leaves will become more intense, helping the geraniums regain their natural beauty and bloom like never before. The ingredient is aspirin. Aspirin improves plant health by boosting their resistance to diseases and stress, leading to more intense blooming and a healthier appearance. Thanks to it, the plants become stronger and more resilient to unfavorable conditions. I'll share the secret of an eco-friendly fertilizer that will make your geraniums bend under the weight of their blooms. Geraniums need the right fertilizer to grow healthy and flower beautifully, so make it now. Take 1 banana, peel it, cut it into smaller pieces, and place it in a jar. Banana peel is rich in potassium, phosphorus, and magnesium, which support plant growth. Add about 0.35 ounces of fresh yeast to a bowl. Yeast is an excellent source of minerals and enzymes, helps speed up plant growth, and improves soil structure. Add 1 teaspoon of sugar to activate the yeast, then pour in about 3 fluid ounces of warm water and mix until the yeast dissolves. Pour the mixture into the jar with the banana and add about 1 quart of water so the ingredients combine. Leave the solution for a few days so the ingredients can blend well and ferment. Take a watering can, pour in some of the solution, add about 1 quart of water to dilute it, and water your geraniums with this fertilizer once a week. You will notice how quickly they grow, become stronger, and start blooming beautifully. Regular use of this natural fertilizer will help your plants thrive in a healthy and balanced environment.